Hi, I'm Luke Mangan, and from all my years in the kitchen, I can tell you this. One of the most important things you can do is get yourself some good quality kitchen equipment. And the new expanded range of Coles MasterChef knives is a great place to start. In the set, there's a large cook's knife that's perfect for everyday chopping tasks. The blade is curved, so it's also great for getting that chop and rock motion going for herbs. The MasterChef large Sendoku knife is slightly smaller and the blade is thinner with a straight edge. This makes it great for precise cutting. There's also the small Sendoku knife with a slightly shorter blade. Again, that straight edge, perfect for slicing and dicing. There are two steak knives in the range and they had that serrated edge for cutting through cooked meat easily. They're also perfect for fruit with firm skin and soft flesh. Think tomatoes, peaches. The MasterChef paring knife is a great all-rounder. It has a sharp point that's made for delicate cutting and scoring. And this is the big one, the MasterChef Cleaver. It has a large, heavy-duty blade that gives you more power. This is what you need for those big jobs like cutting pumpkins. Also in the range are the MasterChef kitchen scissors. These are great for your quick chopping needs and essential for big jobs like dividing up a whole chicken. And finally, we have the MasterChef mini chopper. It has a glass bowl and a stainless steel blade for chopping veggies, herbs, nuts, you name it. And it's perfect for making your own pesto or mayonnaise, which will definitely make your salads extra special over the entertaining season. Now, it's important to know how to look after your equipment. All the knives in the collection are dishwasher safe, but to avoid dulling the blades, it's best to hand wash them carefully using mild soap and warm water. Remember to always take extra care hand washing sharp knives to avoid cuts. To store your knives safely, I suggest the MasterChef knife block. It's made from durable rubber wood and has two compartments to hold your scissors and knives safely. It's available for purchase separately from Coles while stocks last, so make sure you get in quick. The large size of the cleaver means you'll need to store it in a separate holder or sheath. So there you have it. That's the complete set, perfect for all your cooking needs. For more ways to use the collection, click on the videos below.